All right. We're talking about hood latches today. The ones that come on, even if you got a Rubicon, they're plastic. So I didn't see too many of the ones out there, JKJLs, that had these upgrades. So I'm installing this today. Obviously, it's not on yet, but that's what we're talking about in this video. So, do you have a JK or JL? If your headlight protrudes into your grill, you have a JL. If it doesn't, smaller, JK. Why is that important? Because these spacers that go to your body is apparently different for the JK that it is the JL. The JLs come pre-installed. As you can see, it says JL on it, on the metal one that comes in the box. So as you can see, I've already taken the one side off, plastic. Already looks like it's kind of faded, and my Jeep is a 2024 later purchase in the year of 2024, so not been on the road that long. Something I do like about the one that come off, it's got a nut instead of here you have, which you'll see Allen stock that you have to use. So a suggestion I would say to do is to take this off before you go to install the whole thing. You'll see why in a second. So what do you need to do this? Ratchet. You need a 10 millimeter, and if you don't have any, well, it's not that uncommon. 10 millimeters are known to escape your toolboxes either through theft or loss. But it comes with 3 Allen stocks here. Comes with some extra parts that I kind of figured weren't extra. I was hoping they'd be extra, because usually when I put something together, I get extra bolts. But it goes in here. It's not extra. This will be extra, though. I don't need this, JK. You'll need 1/2 inch box end wrench, and that's about it. Instructions wadded up. Some shop towels would be good, and some Windex if you're like me. So pop your hood. I like throwing down some cardboard. That way when you're working up here, if any bolts fall, they're not going into your engine. This one is a little bit of a booger to get to when you go to take this off on the inside here. And that's the one you need the box end wrench for. You just loosen it. If you got a magnetic tool, you can put it against it. My fingers and hand is so huge, it's hard for me to hold on to this and make sure I didn't drop it, but I didn't have any problems. I got it out. So one bolt, this comes off. Then loosen your last 2 nuts up here. That's what you'll need your socket for. I suggest putting some cardboard, or if you got a cover, throw the cover on so it doesn't fall into the engine or damage anything if you drop something. So yeah, this just slides off. And that's what it'll look like when you take it off. I'm going to keep mine for use if I don't like this piece. These are all metal. This comes with a nylon nut, which will keep it on, so no torque specs there. Again, you'll have to take this off. You see, they gave you these Allen stocks. You take this piece off so you can tighten that onto the car. Where this one, you were just able to loosen this nut. So you tighten this on to where you took it off from, and then you put this piece back on again. Then this piece is done. Again, make sure you use the right spacer to protect your paint. Sorry, I've got a little bit of a cold. So essentially, this goes on your car right there. It protects the paint. And yeah, I'll be taking this off because, yeah, I got to tighten it first. So that was my mistake. That's why I wadded up the instructions. So So then your next feat would be installing this with the rubber stopper on the top of the hood, with the nut and bolt again. Nylon, no torque specs, just tighten it down. And that'll be about it. And I'm gonna give these a try. They look pretty cool. They come with a flag, this, and I think some other stuff too. $50 on Amazon. You can find them hood latches. A lot of different places out there sell them. But shop towels or paper towels. It's nice when you have all this off. You can go ahead and clean up behind here. Those hard to reach spots that you can't get normally. Like up there, you can see the residue. I haven't cleaned that yet. So I like just clean things up whenever I take things off. But that's that. And one more thing for my Jeep. But I'm not too crazy like some of these guys out here, but I do got some parts. My son calls it a Lego, because you can replace everything on here like a Lego set. But it's all the tools you need. Are pretty simple. I'd say simplicity, probably about a 9 out of 10. It's not very hard. The hardest thing is whoever engineered this. It's taking that apart. It's more of a booger than it is making it hard. It's just one more step. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you decide on getting these too, because they are a lot nicer and they don't look as cheap as this. I can't believe you buy vehicles these days, and I mean, it's cool to upgrade stuff, but some of this stuff I just shake my head at. I mean, look at that little spring down there. These are $50,000 to $100,000 vehicles, and very cheaply made. But anyway, thanks again, and I'll post some more videos. Anything I upgrade on here. Wish I would have done it from the beginning, but take care, guys. Have a good weekend, and it's warm and beautiful. Enjoy your summer.